Are you eager to relocate to Canada? Are you looking for a job that provides a stable income, regular shifts, and peace of mind? Are you searching for a job that offers free visa sponsorship to Canada? Do you want a job that can make you eligible to relocate to Canada with your family? If your answer is yes, then you are on the right track. Today, I will be sharing an opportunity with you. An opportunity that can change your life and that of your loved ones. There is a job in Canada that comes with the benefits of a good income, flexible work shifts, free visa sponsorship, relocation with family, and many more. The job I am talking about is a cleaning job. A cleaner is a worker in the service industry who ensures the workplace is always clean and sanitary. It is one of the most in-demand jobs in Canada. One peculiar feature about the cleaning job is that it applies to all sectors of industry. There is hardly any industry that does not require or utilize the services of a cleaner. This is one of the reasons why there are several thousand of these jobs available in Canada, and most of them come with free visa sponsorship, which implies that they are open to applicants from other countries. The average earning that comes with these jobs is about 17 Canadian dollars per hour, or $40,000 to $60,000 per year. Previous work experience or a degree in education is not necessary for this job. However, having both is an added advantage. Cleaning jobs provide a good work-life balance. Cleaning jobs are often scheduled on a shift basis, affording people the opportunity to maintain home and family commitments. This is usually essential for those who relocate with family. In this video, I shall be giving you all the information you need to help you land a good cleaning job and relocate to Canada in a few months. This will include the requirements for this job, the duties of a cleaner in Canada, and the relocation pathways with an easy acceptance rate. Towards the end of this video, I will show you the fastest application procedures to get a cleaning job in Canada within a short period of time. So, ensure you watch to the end. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you can enjoy more of our upcoming, highly informative content. Please like and click the notification icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. So, what are the duties and responsibilities of a cleaner? Cleaners perform a range of duties which include cleaning, dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping of designated areas, including cleaning of ceiling vents, restrooms, etc. Keeping common areas fresh by performing routine inspections every day at specified times. Performing and documenting routine inspection and maintenance activities. Carrying out heavy cleansing tasks and special projects. Notifying management of occurring deficiencies or needs for repairs. Making adjustments and minor repairs. Stocking and maintaining cleaning supply rooms. Cooperating with the rest of the staff. Following all health and safety regulations. Have an awareness of how to clean responsibly and use hazardous cleaning chemicals safely to maintain their health while also ensuring the end user's well-being. What are the requirements and skills of the cleaning job? Some of the requirements of the cleaning job in Canada are an excellent ability to pay attention to details and a desire to give one's best to the job. Good interpersonal and communication skills. Good organizational abilities. Enthusiasm to develop your skills and knowledge. Adaptability to change and willingness to embrace new ideas and processes. Ability to work unsupervised and deliver quality work. Good team player qualities. Knowledge of cleaning with chemicals and supplies. So, what are the pathways for immigration to Canada with this job? To immigrate to Canada to work as a cleaner, you require a work permit. A work permit is a legal document permitting a foreign national to engage in employment while in Canada. The Canadian Work Permit visa allows business people, permanent workers, temporary workers, students, and others to work in Canada. Every year, Canada issues about 500,000 work permits to temporary foreign workers around the world. However, in 2022, the Canadian government issued over 600,000 work permits. This is a large number compared to the over 400,000 permit visas that were issued in 2021. There is speculation that more work visa will be issued in 2023 than 2022. This creates a huge opportunity for you to achieve your dream of immigrating and working in Canada in 2023. A Canada Work Permit or a work visa is issued to eligible individuals to work in Canada for a specific time period. However, it is usually renewable. You can apply for a work visa only after getting a job offer or employment contract and a labor market impact assessment, LMIA, from a Canadian employer. Employers are required to apply for an LMIA for every worker they intend to employ from another country to work for them. A labor market impact assessment, LMIA, is a document that an employer in Canada may need to get before hiring a foreign worker. A positive LMIA will show that there is a need for a foreign worker to fill the job. It will also show that no Canadian worker or permanent resident is available to do the job. A positive LMIA is sometimes called a confirmation letter. To get a job offer, you will have to submit your application on job websites, which I shall discuss shortly, with every supporting document. When selected by an employer, an interview will be scheduled virtually. If you are successful in the interview, then the relocation and onboarding processes will be carried out to get the documents needed to apply for a work permit visa. With the LMIA and an offer letter or employment contract, you can then apply for a work permit visa for yourself and any accompanying family members. Having received your visa, you are set to relocate to Canada. This makes this route an easy and fast way to get to Canada to work as a cleaner. Now that we know what this job entails and the various relocation pathways, let's talk about how to apply for the job. Just like every other unskilled job, cleaning jobs are readily available in Canada, and you can apply for them on your own, from the comfort of your home. I have a separate video on my channel where I explain in detail how to apply for unskilled jobs. I will drop the link to that video in the description box below. It will help you understand the different steps I will be highlighting in this video on how to apply for a cleaning job. So, make time to watch it. Knowing the benefits, duties, and responsibilities that come with the cleaning job, the next step is for you to prepare your CV. It is important that you have a Canadian standard CV. A good CV will go a long way towards catching your employer's attention and having you selected for the job. I shall be creating a video soon on how to design a Canadian standard CV. Watch out for it. Having created a good CV, package your other supporting documents and get ready to apply for jobs on any of the 3 websites I shall mention here. These websites provide you with everything you need to know about cleaner jobs and also provide you with relative recommendations for other job positions in the middle of your application. The websites are Glassdoor.com, ca.indeed.com, jobank.gc.ca. These websites offer a large number of carefully chosen employment openings in Canada, complete with company ratings and salaries. On each of these platforms, there are thousands of open positions. Go around the internet and sort your employment by category and province. On these websites, you can also examine the job descriptions, company overview, job summary, and duties related to each job. You can then move on to the next steps of the application process. To boost your selection chances, it is important to apply to as many vacant positions as possible. The more applications you submit, the higher your chances of getting selected are. Note that each job posted on the websites has an expiration date. Hence, it is important that you apply almost immediately to job opportunities before they expire. It's never too early to start looking for the ideal career. In fact, remember that getting a job offer in hand can help your relocation procedure get approved quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with friends and loved ones. Also, kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions or suggestions about any kind of content you would like us to provide, please drop them in the comments section, and we will respond to it. There are a lot of videos with highly informative content on our channel that can help you land that awesome job of your dreams. I look forward to your feedback. Thanks.